Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Josh back, August 18th, the Tuesday. This is my trade recap for the day. So let me go into the replay mode. So going into the day, we've sold off hella. We've sold off hella on both pairs. ES took all of these draws. All these draws lower ES took. We have crazy bullish SMT on the daily. Crazy bullish SMT. Um, Crazy bullish SMT. Hasn't really been delivering. We've resouped this low again. So I could see us being bearish down to these draws down here on NQ. NQ has a couple 15-minute lows. And then we could long. But I know coming up we're gonna have a big long. And then also ES has little voids up here. Couple voids. Void right there, void right there. So I could see price being bullish, but I'm not gonna marry these voids and target these voids unless it's telling us we want to hit them. So let's print some candles. Market opens. NQ takes this 15-minute draw right here. We put in another bullish SMT. That bullish SMT completely gets disrespected. Putting in a little stop raid with this New York AM wick, believing a new SMT, a fresh SMT in New York AM. Alright, we displace up. We displace into this Civvy. Displace into this Civvy. We get a bearish reaction. We then disrespect that reaction, but we just tapped into a new BISI right here. So I want to make sure that this candle isn't going to come down and then disrespect that bullish reaction, because we could really actually be bearish because bullish SMT is not delivering, Ben not delivering, and we have draws lower on NQ. But nope, we completely disrespect this bearish reaction. I longed it somewhere right here, and then just targeted 30 points. And then that's it. That's it. If we were really going to be bearish, we should have continued lower right here. Right here, off of this bearish reaction, we should have continued lower to the draws right there. And now we put in fresh SMT. So we swept hella draws, we put in fresh SMT. We could end up going lower right now. So you want to get out when this fresh SMT gets put in. But yeah, it's that simple. And then another trade you guys could have taken was this SMT looks like it's delivering. We put in a bullish SMT right here. Bullish SMT right here. Boom. Completely disrespect that bullish SMT. Short this shit while this candle's printing. TP 30 points. Stop above that rebalance. It was slow delivery, but you would have had TP. So yeah, that's the trade recap for the day. You boys take care.